Hello everyone and welcome to this new edition of C Programming Basics. Today we will talk about the control structures in C, which are the loops. Loops are used in programming to repeat a specific block code until some end condition is met. There are three types of loops in C programming: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We will start with the for loop. The syntax of the for loop is for initialization statement, test expression, and update statement. Then in your braces you input your quotes. The initialization statement is executed only once. Then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is false, for loop is terminated. But if the test expression is true, quotes inside the body of for loop is executed and the update expression is updated. This process repeats until the test expression is false. The for loop is commonly used when the number of iterations is known. And as we enter 6, we see we have good morning displayed 6 times. So this is an example of the for loop. This is our initialization statement, this is our text expression, and our update statement. Then we are going to talk about the while loop. The syntax of while loop is while test expression, and then the braces. Then we have our lines of codes. Where test expression checks the condition, if it is true or false before each loop. The while loop evaluates the test expression. If the test expression is true, quotes inside the body of while loop are executed. The test expression is evaluated again. The process goes on until the test expression is false. When the test expression is false, the while loop is terminated. As an example of the while loop, we have int I equals to 0, while I is less than or equals to 10, which is our text expression. Printf value of I equals to %g. Add 1 to I. As you can see, when we build our project, our first I is 0, then it turns to 1 to 2 to 3 up to 10 where it is stopped. And then finally we will talk about the do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop with one important difference. The body of do while loop is executed once before checking the test expression. Hence, the do while loop is executed at least once. The syntax of the do while loop is do, lines of quotes, while, and the test expression. The code block inside the braces is executed once. Then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is true, the loop body is executed again. This process goes until the test expression is evaluated to false. When the test expression is false, the do while loop is terminated. This is an example of the do while loop. We have I to be 0 and then our do. Print the value of I, then I is incremented, and we also print these stars. While all this should be done while I is less than or equals to 10, which means after I is greater than 10, this cannot be executed anymore. So let's start and test. We have I to be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10 where it has stopped. So our program has worked correctly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video on C Programming Basics. Ciao ciao ciao.